With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let us start with our question. In this question, what is given? 4 sine waves are given, which are moving on a string along positive x direction, and displacement curves are shown at t equals to 0. Okay. Now in the right column, expression for y as a function of distance for a time t for the sinusoidal wave are given, and we need to match basically this from here. We need to match column 1 and column 2. Okay, so there are things which we can just rewrite. So here y is given as to be, we are just writing a cos omega t minus kx. Okay, and here it is minus a cos this kx minus omega t. Now in here in the C option, it is given as to be a sine omega t minus kx, and in the D option it is given as to be a sine kx minus omega t. Okay, now what we need to do, because these instances are given for t equals to 0, so these equations should satisfy t equals to 0 condition. Now here if we put t equals to 0, 1 by 1 in p, q, r, and s, then p would become a cos, and if we put t equals to 0, so it would be cos of minus kx. Okay, now cos of minus theta would be equals to cos theta, so we can just write it as cos kx. Similarly, if we see q, so if you put t equal to 0 in q, so it would be minus a cos of kx. In r, if we put our t equals to 0, so if we put t equals to 0, it would be sine a sine minus kx. So sine of minus theta, we just write here sine of minus theta would be equals to minus of sine theta, but cos of minus theta is equals to cos of theta. So these are even function and this is odd function. So here if you put t equal to 0, so it would be minus would be in the outside, then it would be minus times a, then sine of this kx, and in the D option, in the S part, if you put t equal to 0, so it would be simply a sine of kx. Now which would be matching? Now a cos of kx, if we check which would be matching with this, so we see that a cos kx, so this would be matching. That means p would correspond to our b. So here b would be matching with this p. Now similarly, minus a cos kx, that means it would be just negative times of the cos. So cos is starting from 1, this location at theta equals to 0, its value is 1. So for this minus a cos, so it would be starting with the value of minus 1, or we can say that minus a. So D would be matching with Q. Okay. Similarly, we see with R. So R is minus times a sine of this sine curve minus time of sine curve. So it would be this a. Okay. And if we check for our sine curve, so a sine kx for the S, it is just a sine curve. So sine curve is our C. So we can say that A is matching with R. We can say that A is matching with R. We just write here. So A matches with R. Then our B matches with P. Similarly, our C is matching with, if we see C is matching with S. So C is matching with S, and our D is matching with Q. So which of the option would be correct? So A is matching with R, B with P, C with S, and D with Q. So the correct option would be our C option. So hope you have understood the solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.